Well, give back to all my existing supporters, to my new supporters. Welcome. It is a beautiful UK day, as you can see, shredding sun. Not the car though, thank you. That's what you guys need to see. Anyway, it's been a minute, or rather 175,000 minutes, because I haven't posted in 4 months, which is crazy and it's bad. But yeah, that's quick math. Genius stuff, right? Anyway, we've got a car. It's a random car, not something I would usually buy. It's going to be more of a project vehicle, so it's like a sort of like a go-kart. That's the aim, is to get it to be like a go-kart, something that handles really good, but it's small, nippy, good bit of fun. So that is the aim. Anyway, we'll reveal the car to you guys soon, and you're gonna have to stay tuned. Alright, I know you guys are mad. I lied about the location swap, but it's fine. Everyone likes magic, so we're gonna do something. Let's make the car appear. Keys, please. Magic. So there you go, guys. That is the car, project car. Now I have what, 5 reasons why I actually bought the car. So reason number 1 is it is cheap to modify. Number 2, I bought this car because it is quite relatable to a lot of people, in the sense that it's quite affordable, I think. So the way I'm going to modify this car and keep you guys updated, hopefully if one of you guys decide that you would like to buy this car as well, or well, not my exact one, unless you want to message me now, but anyway, if you decide you see another Mini Cooper S, you want to buy it, you want to join me on the journey of the modifications and anything else to do with the vehicle, you should be able to do it. And if you're going to do that, you can message me, you can follow me on the page, yeah, you can discuss it with me and we'll see what your ideas are too. But in that sense, that if you feel like you want to follow me on the journey and have a little project car for yourself, then I think this car should be quite affordable for you to do it too. And to continue with the reason 2, most YouTubers, not all of them, and there's nothing wrong with it, a lot of them will start with higher up cars. So exclude me with the yeah, I know you guys have already seen the M4, so we're going to take that out of the equation. If I start the channel with a car that's like too ridiculous, then I don't know how well I'll reach a lot of people. So it's better to, I'd rather start from the bottom, or not the bottom, because this is definitely not a car from the bottom. It's actually quite expensive in insurance for a new driver, and it's actually pretty fast. So yeah, it's not from the bottom at all, but I would like to build it up in a certain way that I can engage with my audience better. That's the word. Reason number 3, it is not that expensive to buy, so you can do stupid things like this, and if it breaks, then it's not too much to repair it, which is the joke, don't break it. But yeah, it's actually quite an affordable car, so many people can buy it, and it was not heavy on my pocket for once, so that's a good thing. Oh, reason number 4, it's actually an iconic, British hatchback. So if you've seen the film The Italian Job or Mr. Bean, then you know the Mini is a well-known car. So yeah, reason number 4. And reason number 5. Reason number 5 is actually a secret. So whoever stays tuned and actually follows and supports the channel, you will actually find out reason number 5, which no one's going to find out yet, but it will make someone very happy. And I've also got an Easter egg. I got extremely bad news about the M4. But like I said, that's the Easter egg, so if you want to see what's actually happened to that car, you're going to have to watch the next video, stay tuned. So make sure you like, subscribe, share it, follow me on Instagram, which is @XavzLife, and yeah, stay tuned for more action. Thank you for watching. Right guys, so sorry, let me shut the door. Oh my gosh, I left my tripod right there. Anyway, right, so that is the reveal of the car. You've seen, or rather listened to, my 5 reasons for buying this car. Actually, it's going to be a bit of fun, little project. I've never ever owned a hatchback. Actually, that is a lie. I did have a, what was it, the old Corsa, but then I also had the M3 and the C-Class at the same time, so it never got used. I actually bought it to do cheap insurance, but yeah, I won't get into that. So plans for the car, I'm thinking we can do some serious mods. Why are you giving me that look? Anyway, we're thinking we could do some serious mods to this car. If you don't know already, anyway, it's a Mini Cooper S. It's the 1.6 turbo, so it's not the supercharged one, which was the previous gen, but it's the previous engine setup. It's actually the turbocharged model. So there's some good mods we can do. Exhaust, full turbo back, and you can do the downpipes or the cats, whatever you want to call them. Mid pipes, the muffler. What else can we do? The induction, the body kit. I would probably do JCW parts, because that's probably the most sensible parts to put on the car. What else? Potentially a wrap, just a few other mods really. So yeah, comment below. I mean, if you think we should mod it, or I should mod it, because it will be coming out of my pocket and not yours, unless you guys want to contribute, I don't mind. But yeah, comment below, let me know what you guys think. What should we do to the car? What should the first mod be actually? So yeah, we've got good plans for the car, so comment, just let me know what you guys think.